Hi guys, I just wanted to hop on here and unbox my Tupperware order. I completely forgot what I ordered, but I'm sure it's gonna be great. Oh my goodness, I believe this is our Fusion Master System. Yes, so I'm gonna use this for our master spiralizer accessory. It's got, a nifty, like a suction cup thingy here. I cannot wait to hop back on and do some nice recipes with this. And what else we have? Oh my gosh, I can't open these guys today. There it is. This is the Fusion Master Spiralizer. Yes. Oh my gosh. Yes. Oh, lots of nice accessories come in this box. 1, 2, looks like 3 different blades. Wow. I cannot wait to make my zucchini noodles. Carrot noodles, oh my goodness, all kinds of yummy, healthy options. And last but not least, this looks like oops, I dropped this. Oh, nice. Okay, this is like my, yeah, there's the blades. So this must be my chop and prep chef. Yes. I'll get to chop up and prep some nice veggies. And yeah. Oh my gosh. Yes, it's the Power Chef system. I cannot wait to make some yummy salsa. Purees. The sky's the limit with this. I'll hop on soon. See y'all later. Okay, I'm back. I've got everything unboxed, taken out of its plastic wrapping, and I'm going to read how to set up all these wonderful kitchen tools that are going to help me stay on the healthy track. So it's got a rubber ring. This is the Master Chef system. It says to make sure that the rubber ring is attached to the bottom, or secured to the bottom. It doesn't stay attached. I think it comes off for washing. And that's really simple. I guess that's to keep it from